Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors, brought to you by Carolina Cooker. Once again, we're back out in front of the campfire, getting ready to do some really good cooking. Breakfast is considered the most important meal of the day, and what a better way to start off with than our recipe for Cowgirl breakfast. I came up with this recipe with my 3 little girls, and this is something that we do at the house, we do when we camp, we do it when we have friends coming over, we do it when we just want it for dinner sometimes. We got our 6-quart Carolina Cooker Dutch oven preheating over a medium-high heat. We're using the tripod stand. It actually has an adjustable chain, so you can kind of regulate the heat a little bit better, which is really nice. I'm gonna start off with about a pound of fresh breakfast sausage. You're gonna brown the ground sausage. All right, so next we're gonna put in the black beans that's been pre-rinsed. 1 can of Rotel style tomatoes. Give that a quick stir. And then we've got about a good 1.5 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Some black pepper, 2 good pinches of salt. You're gonna crack whole eggs right on top, and then we're gonna put our lid back on and check it in about 6 to 8 minutes. So right now they're pretty much just about done. What we're gonna do is sprinkle some cheese on top of it, kind of melt everything down. That was perfect. So everything's melted, everything's cooked. The eggs are cooked how I like them. We normally eat them in tortillas, either burrito or taco style. And this is great to do over the campfire or even the kitchen at the house. And it's always great to take wild game in the field, but it's even better to incorporate it into a meal.